Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm going to be making some lasagna muffins. I've got a cast iron muffin tin here. I'm just going to take a slice of prosciutto ham and line each well with it, making sure that the bottom is covered as well. I've already got some coals lit in my joy stove, and all we're going to do is put your small Dutch oven on. To the Dutch oven, I'm going to put a trivet in the bottom because I don't want the bottom of the muffin tin to burn. And we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes. I've got some leftover beef sauce, or beef ragu as people call it, to this. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs. Now I know this looks a bit dry, but it needs to be dry. There's a link above on how to make this beef ragu. I've got 2 sheets of dry pasta that I've had soaking in hot water for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to cut 6 small discs and 6 larger discs. Okay, so this ham's had about 10 minutes. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the ragu sauce to each one. We've done that. I'm going to add the small discs first, 1 in each pot. Another tablespoon of ragu sauce. Top that with a larger disc of pasta. And top this with some bechamel sauce. There again, a link up above on how to make the bechamel sauce. And finally, we're going to top this with some grated mozzarella cheese. Put the lid on. Back on top of the joy stove. Add some hot coals to the top of this, and then we're going to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese has gone a nice brown colour. let's take a look. Yeah, that's the colour we're looking for. The cheese is melted and gone a nice golden brown. Move the muffin tin. Just going to cut round here to release them. Please watch the video at the end after the titles to see how they didn't turn out the first time I tried to make them. And there we have it, Dutchy's Lasagna Muffins. So there you have it, Dutchy's Lasagna Muffin. Another one with the thumbs up. So this was my first attempt. I used bacon instead of the prosciutto. I think there was far too much water in it. As you can see now, in the bottom of these pots, there's that much moisture. The bacon literally boiled instead of baking. And they just fell apart. The moisture content in the bottom. Getting a little bit disheartened at this point. We'll go for another one. Yeah. Give it up as a bad job. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.